got no show. So I'ma grab the mic, flip a strip, believe the stun. Buckshot's the one that gets the job done. Mic check, I get paid to wreck the set. Get ready, get checked, cause I'm a threat to your fret. No host bar, incomplete move fakers. Best to play the back and watch a girl, I might take her. If she's a crab, I'm a dissident slide. If she try to rip, I got my Smith on my side. Word to God, here I comes to make way. Rugged and rough, killing your set every day. Microphone check, 1, 2, here we go. And I'ma let you know who got the flow. Spitting my verbs like an automatic weapon. Suckers keep stepping, cause I'ma let you know. So I paid them like a hippie from the 60s, but I'ma get paid from the 90s. Quick to play your little rascal out like slimy, kick your flavor. With my lifesaver techniques, guaranteed to move freaks, and I'll go on for weeks, maybe years. If my peers give me ears to fill, lick off a shot and act ill, ball late and chill. See, I paid my dues, now you can't tell me nothing. This is dedicated to the ones who kept frontin', the ones who try to diss and post high. Oh no, just cause you had low, see now I got dough, and I'm paid out my rectum, meaning my backbone. Grab the mic, flip a mad script to your dome. Suckers, I kick them like taekwondo. Gassing low from head to toe to let you know. Who got the power? Who got the power? My melody, evil day, I'm on the shower. Who got the power? Who got the power? My melody, evil day, I'm on the shower. Who got the power? Who got the power? My melody, evil day, I'm on the shower. Who got the power? Who got the power? My melody, evil day, I'm on the shower.
Right. So we're linked up. The one light's out. I have to fix that, but I have the antenna light for that. But because what happened was when this crashes, the leg breaks here. There's like antennas, really like a piece of this thing here. So many of them. They just break, and once they break, the whole light goes out. You can see how many times it's broken. Yeah, they're pretty flimsy. It's like a default, like a defect. Alright, firmware update. Let's see if this puppy works. Cool, it seems like it works. Let me try it again. So what I did is I replaced the ESC, which is the electronic speed controller, and what it does, it just tells the motors how to respond. All the power kind of goes right to it, and gives power to the motors. And what was going on is this motor up here was not working. It was stalling out, or it was stalling where then it couldn't start. And I thought it was the motor, and I replaced the motor with a new motor. This was the old broken one, and I replaced it with a new one, and it still did it. Had the same trouble, and I kind of researched it, and some people were saying it's the ESC, this thing. So I went out and got one, $60. So I guess that means that this motor is still good. So I got to say, hold on to it. But yeah, so I just replaced it. Let me see. Like this would stutter, and then it would just stop. It wouldn't even idle. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some propellers on there, and hopefully with the propellers, it can still do it with the propellers. So these are just some old propellers I'm going to throw on there. Nothing fancy. Boom, boom. Alright. They don't match, but it's all good. way. Oh shit.